Why isn't it coming on? So it looks like my parents' emergency lights are not working. It's time to replace these. This is the HMCITY solar sensor security lights. Light up your life, 120 LEDs, solar motion sensor lights. So I decided to go with the 4-pack because it's cheaper to go with bulk. Once out of the packaging, make sure you have the user's guide. We have 4 sets of these motion sensor lights and 4 sets of 2 screw each, along with these wall plugs to make it assemble easier into walls. So each of these lights contain 120 LED bulbs. The whole unit is waterproof. It is made of ABS plastic. Here is the motion sensor right here. So what's awesome about this light is that it features, of course, a solar panel made of monocrystalline silicone solar cells with 20.5% conversion rate, operating at 4.5 watts. It measures about 6.1 inches by 4.02 inches in width and a height of 3.11 inches, weighing in at a light 14.8 ounces. And if you take a look at the back, it says made in China. Now this has 3 modes. With a simple press of the button, you can get it to motion sensor security mode, where it turns on automatically if it senses motion, or permanent on at night. It can detect when it's dark enough so it turns on, or the smart brightness, which basically means it stays on at night, similar to the permanent on at night, but it turns on to a brighter color when it detects motion. So the mounting slots are located on top. So first thing I noticed about design is that if the button's on the back, after you install it, that means you have to lift it up. Is that going to be easy to lift up to change the mode? Shouldn't it be maybe on the side or maybe on the bottom? So I'm looking for a good location and also a wooden post to install it. I'm not sure if this will go on siding. There's the old security light. I think I'm going to put it right up here, because this is a good central location right in the middle of the driveway. My dad just told me that they don't have any power tools, so I don't have any power drill to work with, but I think I can get away with using these Velcro strips. Each strip can hold up to 5 pounds, and these merely weigh under 15 ounces, so lighter than a cell phone. So let's go ahead and stick it in the back and try it, see how it works out. Okay, so I taped both ends to the back near the top because that's where it's heavy. I'm going to place it right here to cover up the hole which I was trying to drill. That's a good location right here. Seems to hold fine. Alright, so I'm going to test it overnight and see if it can hold. The other one, I have it right here on the windowsill. Okay, so I'm going to climb this ladder and attach it with the Velcro tape up here. That's the right of the house. Okay, so here's the other one. This is how high up it is. Alright, got the Velcro attached. I'm up here, putting it right here, right under the old security light. See, it just turned on. It detected my motion. This is gonna work great. Okay, so it looks like this one fell. It was up for 2 weeks, but because of the heavy snow, we got 8 inches. Because of the moisture, the Velcro didn't hold up. And also, when I decided to relocate that one, I'm planning on putting it right there, but the Velcro won't stick again. So I'm gonna have to be forced to use the screws. But don't worry, I have a very good solution. Oh no, it looks like this one fell too. So it looks like on siding, the adhesive's not gonna work, but it sticks better on wood. Okay, so I'm drilling the 2 holes into the siding. I marked it. Behind is wood, so I'm okay. See, I don't want it to be so deep in, so it's recessed out. See, so it's hanging right there. So now I can easily adjust it by just fitting my finger under here. That's the trick, see? Instead of having it all flush, now you can reach under. So you don't have to remove it every time. That's the trick, guys. Alright, so here's one of the lights drawn to the window sill, right next to the front door, the garage. See, motion sensor. Whenever a car comes up the driveway or goes to the entryway, delivery, it will turn on. One right here, back door, perfect way to light the deck. And one more in the backyard. Decided to locate it right there. Oh, see, it's on just before 6 p.m. This wind is starting to get dark in the Midwest, Central Time. Okay, let's check on this one right here. Oh, see it is turned on? See? Detected my motion. It turned brighter. So this one is remain low, detect motion, super bright, keeps on for 15 seconds. I see the light on back here already. Is it because you guys caught on the motion, huh? Huh? Here is the third light. Look at that. See? It's perfect right here. Now it's 7:20 p.m. in the Central Time. It's completely dark. Okay. See how that turned on? Detect the motion. Alright. Let's check on the other light. Yes, I'm using other solar lights too. There's that one. See, that's remained on. That looks like low. See, there's the motion right there. Super bright. Okay. Lighting up the whole yard right here. Strong light. Very good motion detection. Oh, I see that's drawing a fly. Alright. So let's go ahead and test out the different settings. Okay, so that's completely off right there. One press. I'm pretty sure that's the, looks like the motion sensor remains on for 15 seconds. Okay, next up, it's on low until detects motion, remains super bright for 15 seconds. And the final setting, I believe it's, there you go, off until it detects motion, turns super bright. And those are the 3 modes. So if you're looking for LED motion sensor light to cut back on electricity bill and also that you don't have to deal with wiring, definitely check out these LED lights because it's super bright and super easy to install. Highly recommend it.